Hello children, a very good morning to you all. I am Jayanti, your science teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Did you watch teaching video yesterday? Have you completed your homeworks? I hope you all are completed your homework. Now tell me, what did we learn about yesterday? Did you remember? Yes, we learned about the topic food groups in the block 1. Importance of balanced diet. What are the food groups we learn? How many types of food groups are there? Yes, there are 6 food groups. Do you remember? Yes, cereals and grains, vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, eggs and pulses, milk and milk products, fats, sweets and oil. What are that? Cereals and grains, vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, eggs and pulses, milk and milk products, fats, sweets and oil. Now tell me, what are the functions of food groups? Yes, let me tell. The food that we eat gives us energy, help us to grow, protect us from diseases. Have you understood? Now tell me, which food group gives us energy? Yes, cereals and grains, sweets and oil gives us energy. Which food group help us to grow and become strength? Which food group help us to grow and become strong? The pulses, milk and milk products help us to grow. It is also help us to become strong. Now tell me, what is the function of fruits and vegetables? Yes, the fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases. Have you understood? These all are the topics we learned yesterday. If you have any doubts, you can ask me at the comment section. Shall we start today's class? Now tell me, what did you eat for dinner yesterday? Some of you eat roti, some of you eat milk, and some of you eat bread. In your dinner, which food group do you eat the most? Yesterday we learned about food groups. From that, can you tell me which food group do you eat the most? Okay, roti made with wheat. So, it comes under cereals and grains. Can you tell me milk comes under which food group? Yes, milk comes under milk and milk products. And bread comes under cereals and grains. In which food group bread comes? Cereals and grains. Okay, now tell me, what do you know about nutrients in your food?
All kinds of food have some nutrients. Today we learn about nutrients found in food and why we need them. So, today our aim is to identify the functions of various nutrients in food. Now take your notebook and draw the table as in the video. Next, read the given passage of S2 in your workbook. Shall we read? Nutrients are the things in our food that keep us healthy. All kinds of food have some nutrients in it. Most kinds of food contain a mix of nutrients, that is, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fats. Each nutrient helps our body in some way. If we do not eat enough of these nutrients, we may fall ill. A deficiency disease is caused when a nutrient is missing in our body for a long time. If we don't eat enough rice, wheat, or bread, our body will not get carbohydrates. We will then feel low on energy and may start losing weight. If we do not eat enough proteins, we will not grow properly. For this, we need to eat more pulses, milk products, meat, and fish. We all enjoy eating sweets, butter, oily food, and chocolates. If we eat too much of these fatty foods, we will become obese. However, if we do not eat enough fats, we will lose weight and lack energy. Most fruit and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. They protect us from diseases. Lack of minerals might cause weak bones and muscles. We may also catch infections easily if we eat less vitamins. When we get injured, our blood might not clot if we lack vitamins in our body. To remain healthy, we need to eat a variety of foods so that our body gets all the required nutrients. We also need to drink a lot of water. Now, tell me, what are nutrients? Do you know any nutrients? Yes, some of you say that give us energy. Some of you say that keep us health and fight with diseases. Let me tell what are nutrients. That is, nutrients are components found in our food that keep us healthy. Nutrients are the things in our food that keep us healthy. Have you understood? Now, how many types of nutrients are there? From the passage we read, can you tell me how many types of nutrients are there? Yes, there are 5 main nutrients in our food. What are the nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. Now we will discuss about why we need nutrients and gradually fill the table. In the first column, name of the nutrient. You can fill the types of nutrients in that. That is carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fats. Next, what are the functions of each nutrient? Tell me, what is the function of carbohydrates and fats? It gives us energy. The function of carbohydrates and fats is gives us energy. What is the function of proteins? The function of protein is helps to grow, and it also helps to become strong. What is the function of proteins? It helps us to grow and become strong. Next, vitamins and minerals. Can you tell me the function of vitamins and minerals? Yes, it protects us from diseases. The function of vitamins and minerals is fights with diseases. Now fill the second column, function of the nutrient. What is the function of carbohydrates? It gives us energy. The function of proteins, that is help us to grow and become strong. The function of vitamins and minerals are help to fight diseases. Next, fats. What is the function of fats? It is also give us energy like as carbohydrates. Next, which food are rich in each of these nutrients? Bread, cereals, pulses are rich in carbohydrates. The food group cereals and pulses are rich in carbohydrates. Pulses, milk, meat are rich in proteins. Then fruits, milk, vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Oil, butter, sweets are rich in fats. You can fill it in the third column, food rich in the nutrient. Have you completed the table? Now see the table. These all are the relationship between food groups and nutrients. Now bonus question of the day. Many of you did well the bonus question yesterday. Very good. Today's bonus question is, which nutrient protects us from infections? Which nutrient protects us from infections? You need to answer this question in your online exam section. Next is hearts question. Today's hearts question is, which food group would water fall into? What do you think? Do you think water comes under proteins? In proteins, meat are there, pulses are there. Do you think it comes under proteins? I don't think. Do you think water comes under carbohydrates? Is there any similarity between? In carbohydrates, rice are there, roti are there. Is any similarity between rice, roti and water? I can't see any similarity with cereals and water. Okay. Do you think it comes under vitamins and minerals? Is there any relation between fruits and vegetables and water? I can't see any similarities. We cannot say what category water falls into. It is very important for us. It helps us digest our food and remove the waste from our body in the form of urine and sweat. Next, practice questions. Now, practice questions. In your content book, third and fourth practice questions are your today's homework. The first question is, what are the 5 main nutrients and their functions? What are the 5 main nutrients and their functions? The next question is, how many glasses of water should we drink in a day? How many glasses of water we should drink in a day? Next, worksheet questions. In your workbook, you have to complete the worksheet S2 is your homework. The first is complete the table. Read the content book and fill the columns in the table. Next question is, why should we drink at least 5 to 7 glasses of water in a day? Why should we drink at least 5 to 7 glasses of water in a day? How much of water do you drink in a day? Some of you drink more water, it is good. But some of you drink very less amount of water. Water is very important to our body. Do you know that? Up to 50 to 65% of human body is water. So, we should drink 7 to 8 glasses of water in a day. At least 5 to 7 glasses of water in a day we should drink. Your today's homework is, you need to answer the HOTS question and practice questions in your notebook, and worksheet questions should be completed in your workbook. Please note it down the homework in your planner. After completing your homework, get a sign from your parents in planner. Now today's class has completed. Don't forget to do your homework and answer for the bonus question. Thank you for listening. God bless you. Have a nice day.